Well, hi, Jeff Barlett here. Today I'm going to teach you a very easy beginner song. It's called This Land Is Your Land by Woody Guthrie. So the first chord you're going to need for this song is going to be a G major chord, and the strumming pattern is going to be down, down, up, down, down. Then you go to a D major, down, down, up, down, down, to an A major, down, down, up, down, down, to a D major, down, up, down, up, down, down. So it should sound like this. This land is your land, this land is my land, from California to the New York Island. So the next part of the song should go like this. From the redwood forest to the Gulf Stream waters, this land has been made for you and me. So, what you want to do is you want to go back to G and go down, up, down, up, down, down, to D, down, up, down, up, down, down, to A, down, up, down, up, to D, down, up, down. And that's how you play This Land Is Your Land by Woody Guthrie. It's a very simple beginner lesson, and focus on the strumming patterns as it will make it easier for you to sing the song while playing the guitar. And I'd like to thank you for watching this video. Please hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos. Thank you for watching, and God bless.